I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to move your funds from Square to Stripe, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Log into Square. Access your Square account by visiting the Square website and entering your login credentials. This is where you'll start the transfer process. Step 2. Withdraw funds from Square. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the airdrop.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Wait for funds to transfer. After initiating the withdrawal, it may take 1 minute to 2 business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank statement during this time. Step 4. Log into Stripe. Once your funds are in your bank account, log into your Stripe account. This is where you will deposit the funds you just withdrew from Square. Step 5. Add funds to Stripe. In your Stripe account, go to the balance section and select Add Funds. Enter the amount you want to transfer from your bank account to Stripe and confirm the transaction. Remember, it is essential to double-check the amounts and ensure that your bank account is linked correctly to both Square and Stripe to avoid any hiccups. Good luck with your transfers.